Hey guys, welcome to the channel. I'm excited about this and we're gonna get right into it from Cabela's. This is the new Onyx. Boy, I'm really an e-inks heavy today, but this is the new, there it is, Garmin. Look at that thing. Fenix 8, let's see, OLED, right? So this is the new one, and I'm used to having my Apple Watch, right? Apple Watch Ultra. And the issue I had was I wasn't using Strava. I'm starting to use Strava now. I'm running more. So I ran an hour and 40-minute half marathon. I started running in April. Starting to get my splits under 7 minutes. I'm trying to do a sub 25K, and I wanted to get something a little more professional, right? This works, but like I was running and Nike Run Club quit. It was a pain in the butt, and I really got frustrated with it. I'm getting frustrated with the app, and I wanted something a little more dedicated to the actual running. So this is the Fenix 8. Let's go ahead and open this up and see what we got inside as an Apple guy. So box is okay. Let's see, let's open this. This came from Bass Pro Shops, by the way. So let's take it out and get first initial impressions. Never been a Garmin guy, always been an Apple guy. Okay, so there it is. Let's see, you can kind of get it in the light there. All right, so this is the Fenix 8. 51 millimeter. This is the bigger, this is $1,300 is what I ended up paying for it. So let's take it out. Okay, there it is. Set it there. And then initial impression, we've got a couple things in the box. What else do we got? We've got obviously a charging cable, okay? And then what else do we have here? We have some books and documentation. Okay, so we got the charging cable and the watch. Let's go ahead and take it out. Okay, first of all, build quality. I do like this band. I actually end up having to buy bands typically. So let's go ahead and take this out and see how it looks. Okay, there is the initial. Let's go ahead and, I think there's some plastic. Yeah, there's the plastic. Okay, so that was actually not even the band, but let's look at the difference in size right off the bat. You can kind of see it's big. I mean, the Ultra's big. This 51 millimeter is big. I mean, that's big. Look at that. That is big. So let's go ahead and turn it on. And I'm gonna see how it feels on real quick. Let me just see how it feels. They say to charge it 3 hours. Band feels okay. I like the band. The band is, I don't know, it just feels all right. So let's do this. Okay, so there it is. I don't like, it kind of's got a little chingy to it. I don't know what that is, but overall I think it's okay. You know what, I didn't do the weight, but it feels about as heavy as this is the Ultra, right? So it feels about as heavy as the Ultra. So let me get this bad boy powered up. I'm gonna get it charged up and powered up, and then let's see how it goes first test. So just wanted to get it unopened for you. Now we're gonna go get it charged up. Okay, so there you have it. It's on, we're ready to go. Setup was pretty easy. I got the Garmin Connect in here. So I think I'm ready to go. Let me see if it's in running. Next thing I'm gonna do is hook it up to my Strava, and we're ready to go to start training. So as far as the Apple Watch Ultra versus, I think it's about the same weight. It's just bigger. Like the appearance is just bigger. So it's good. All right, I'm gonna start wearing this thing, start working with it. And I'm excited. Garmin Fenix 8 unboxing, just a quick one for you. Thing looks pretty good, man. Good watch. I can't wait to train with it, which is really what it's about. All right, more coming, full review coming real soon. Thanks for being a part of the channel.